We're going on airplane mode, literally on this one. Let's take this tour to new heights. Follow me. I'm about to show you why this home soars above the rest. Let's go.
Ready for fresh air, fun, and a place to call home? This 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty gives you 1,380 square feet of comfort on an unfinished basement, all tucked away at the end of the cul-de-sac. And with Bryce Resort, minutes away, you've got golf, skiing, and a lake right in your backyard.
Flight completed. Are you ready to book your landing? If so, give me a call. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.